Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Guy Hub. And today I'll be talking about how to get affordable products on Temu. Yeah, so if you are thinking of shopping on Temu and you want to get affordable products in there, then this particular video is for you. So when you visit the Temu app, whether the website or the app, just select the product that you want. So select the product that you want. So in here, let's say I want the jam starter. I want this product. So select the product. You realize in here the price of the product is 1,500 Ghana cedis, 1,005. That's the price of the product. Yeah. So on Temu, there are a lot of stores in there selling this same product. Yeah. So if you want to get the store, that's giving in the most affordable item, then this is what you have to do. So just tap on the picture. So this is the product that I want to buy, and it's 1,005. So tap on the picture. Yeah. And you realize at the top corner there is an icon, the image search. So tap on the image search icon. So tap on that icon, image search icon. So tap on the image search icon. Yeah, and it will pop up with you know the same product but from different stores. So you realize the same product that a particular store was selling at 1,500 Ghana cedis. Another store is also selling it for 548 Ghana cedis. Yeah, another store, same product. Another store is selling it for 548 Ghana cedis. So when you do that, you can just filter your search results by the price. So just tap on the price, okay, and it will filter, the results by the prices. Yeah, and you can get to choose the one that you think is affordable for you. Yeah. So that's how easy and simple it is to get affordable products on Temu. Yeah. So if you find this video useful and helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and also give a thumbs up. See you in the next video and follow for more Temu tips.